At Ealing Clean, we're trusted to do more than just clean. We also help clients with everyday household tasks, like doing the laundry and loading the dishwasher properly. Here's how to do both, the right way. If there's laundry to do, always start with it at the beginning of your visit. That gives the clothes enough time to wash and start drying before you leave. Before starting any load, check the clothing labels. They tell you the correct temperature, cycle, and whether the item should even go in the machine. If the client has already placed clothes in the machine, run a short cycle up 30 degrees, unless they've left other instructions. Always separate whites and colors. Mixing them can cause staining or damage. When adding detergent, use what the client provides. Many people in the UK use capsule detergents, but be aware, they don't always dissolve properly. If the clothes still feel soapy at the end, you may need to run a rinse cycle. Avoid using too much detergent or softener. 1 capsule or 1 tablespoon of softener is usually enough. When the wash finishes, don't leave the wet clothes sitting inside. Take them out promptly to prevent smells or stains. After removing the clothes, leave the washing machine door open so it can air out. Wipe down the door with a clean cloth or paper towel. Use glass spray if needed. If the machine has a water tray or reservoir, empty it after use. Now let's move on to the dishwasher. First, check the filter. If it's dirty, clean it under the tap. Next, rinse the dishes briefly. You don't need to scrub them. Just remove leftover food so it doesn't clog the dishwasher. Place glasses on the top rack, upside down. Do not put delicate wine glasses in the dishwasher. They could break. Wash them by hand. Cutlery goes in the bottom basket, with the dirty end facing up. Spread them out for proper cleaning. Plates and pots go in the bottom section, in the correct slots. Don't overcrowd. Each item needs space to clean properly. Add the dishwasher tablet in the slot. Close the door and set the machine to 60 degrees. That's the standard cycle and will usually finish before you leave. Once the cycle ends, unload everything and return it to its proper place. Laundry and dishwashing aren't extras. They're part of delivering a complete, 5-star clean. Done properly, they show clients you care about every detail. Watch this video again if needed, and take the short quiz to test what you've learned. At Ealing Clean, it's not just about cleaning. It's about doing things properly and with care.